In today's changing industry trends, having to keep up with different things, the metaverse, healthcare technology, global healthcare markets, trends, where the critical need is right now, it's important for care providers to stay ahead of the game, to know what that paradigm is. Hi, my name is Christine Blackledge-Crowell, and I just want to talk to you today about why you should book an appointment with me or my team at Matriarch. We are a global healthcare consultancy who specializes in a niche market, which is healthcare services for care providers globally around the world. Now, what I want to share to you today is, you're here, you've obviously clicked the link, and I'm so super excited that you've taken this journey to the metaverse as well as online and offline. It's important that we know what the future trends are holding for us. We provide services that will show you how to scale your healthcare organization. Whether you are wanting to be local based, whether you want to be a national company, or whether you want to be an international global company, we will discuss with you the healthcare trends that are of highest value, healthcare trends which may be at a lower value but provide volume. We will show you the 7-8 figure strategies that our care providers are currently doing right now up to 2030. So, I'm showing you the compelling reasons why you should do this, because time waits for no one. Just like this hourglass here, I'm talking here for just probably a minute, and yet look how fast that time has gone. You compound that into hours, into years, will show you, and I know that you are seeing this. Now, we as care providers have a duty of care to ensure that we are providing the best possible service that we can do to those that are vulnerable, that need our service. But at the same time, as care providers, we need to ensure that we are looking after ourselves, our staff members, our clients. It has to be a 360-degree business. Otherwise, something's going to fail. And I want to explain to you, through our trainings and the services that we offer, we are here to help you do a 360-degree business that is going to satisfy your needs as the care providers. The staff members will be satisfied, and so will the people that use the services that you offer. So stay ahead of the game, stay ahead of the healthcare technology, stay ahead of providing healthcare services. See what the really critical, high-pressured need services that are needed now and in the future, even past 2030. So by booking with us, you will learn the 7-8 figure strategies that will enable you to be the dominant industry leader in your field. You'll have the competitive edge within your healthcare organization. This will be you running a multiple 7-8 figure business, and you'll dominate your market within your industry by joining what it is that we have to offer at Matriarch. We understand that every business is unique and that no two businesses are the same. So we will ensure that we are catering the skills and the tools needed so that you can be the best possible healthcare organization within your industry again. Whether you are wanting to scale with teams, or whether you want to ensure that you are aligned with your company's vision and mission, you'll be able to create a thriving healthcare business. It's important that you, as the care provider, future-proof your business so that you will be able to provide the tools that are needed to be able to scale your organization. You want long-term success in your business, then this is another reason why you should book a call with our team and myself, a 15-minute call. Like I said, like I showed you, the hourglass, that time waits for no one. Do you feel as if time is slipping you by, and that you feel as if you are not knowing what the future trends are, so it's making you feel anxious? Well, we're here to stop all of that. We'll show you the advanced techniques, the advanced insights that 7-8-figure businesses are currently using right now, today, and last year. Organizations have been able to multiply and amplify their business. Even if you're even at the exit stage of your healthcare business and you want to sell your healthcare business, then that's a reason for a call, so we can discuss your strategies with you. A healthcare company started in 2012. They were able to sell their healthcare business in 2023 for £10.6 billion. Is that an exit strategy that you possibly would be interested in, so that you're able to leave a legacy and that you will continue to grow your healthcare business the way you intended it to be? We will assist you in capitalizing and assessing the future markets in your healthcare business type. There's multiple healthcare business types. There's over 50 to 100 healthcare business types in the market today that you could be capitalizing on. So I'd like you to click here, book a free 15-minute consultation with myself or my team, and let's talk about your future growth within your healthcare business, whether you want to be community-based, national-based, or international, global-based. We will discuss the healthcare markets that you could be looking at supporting that is in alignment with your healthcare organization. So join us today. Don't delay. Click the link here, and we want to speak with you very, very soon. I hope that you can join us. Our future team is ready to discuss your needs for the future up to 2030 right now. Thank you. Goodbye.